The sun is trying to come through on this cloudy, cool November day. Birds they were filled this tree this morning. When I came out to do an outside shower, 35 degrees. Oh, look at the cardinals. I don't know if you can see them or not. There's one right there. Look at that beauty. Thank you, Lord. Beauty you've created for us to enjoy. One's talking to him from over here. One's talking to him from over here. Look at all that activity. Oh, it comes and goes. And there's the nest that we're going to try to take out of there today. It's a beautiful cloudy day. It looks like winter. That there looks like a cross. Oh, I see the cross in everything. So many things